Hey, I'm Mark.
Hey, I'm Carrie.
And the Art of RVing, and you're getting ready to see a rundown of a Vibe trailer on the way back from Beaver's Bend. No one cares. Okay, you ready for this?
They don't. Just say it.
Yeah.
We're the Muirheads.
And we're the Atkins.
Welcome to
Beaver
Beaver
Vcross.
I'm Jason Atkins.
I'm Brandy Atkins.
And we're going to do a rig rundown here on the Art of RVing. Okay, how many RVs have y'all been through?
This is our first one.
The first one!
Yes,
oh my gosh.
first one.
Whose idea was it to have the RV?
It was mine.
And how'd you feel about that?
I liked it.
Well, she really wanted, for the first one, an affordable one.
Yes.
That
Everybody
we
we
could learn
talked
on.
to
so-
said
Uh-huh.
stick to your budget.
Right.
Stick to a low budget for your first one.
Right.
See what you really want and what you can live without, and then go from there, which is how we ended up with
Smart.
All right, this is a 2014 Forest River Vcross Vibe. One of the reasons they call it a V-Cross is because of the interesting front design. It's a V-nose trailer, so it utilizes every bit of the frame that it can. All four corners we have manual stabilizing jacks. So I use my impact driver, and I have a socket that I throw on there and makes easy work of that. We have a manual awning, which once it's rolled out and the legs are extended, you can actually disconnect the bottom of the leg from the side of the camper and bring it out to what they call carport mode. I installed a $10 LED strip off of Amazon. We have our collapsible door handle that helps get in and out. One thing you may notice on the side is the tires sticking out further than the outside of the body. That's because the body is only 7 foot wide. Since it's only a 20-foot camper, we have one storage area outside. It's a fairly good sized storage area. On the back here, it is what's known as a bobtail trailer. It normally doesn't have anything back here, but I went to my father-in-law's and we installed a bumper. This is to hang my external sewer tote on, so we don't have to carry it inside. I have a little old milk crate that I can put an extra propane bottle in. And over on the side here is where our actual single propane compartment is, and the bottom is completely open, so if any propane starts leaking, it leaks out the bottom and doesn't build up in the RV. Coming on around, you see we have a small slide here. That's actually a bunk area, which once you get inside, my wife will be happy to show you how that works. We have our black tank flush, a city water connection, and an outdoor shower.
So overall, satisfaction?
Starting out has been a very good one. Of course, we have 3 kids, so it's a little bit of a cramped space. But with the V-nose design, you get every inch of space that you can.
Well, we appreciate that. Let's go check out the inside.
All right, sounds good. Let's get you another Brandy.
What do you got?
This is our bed area.
Uh-huh.
We added a couple things back here just because we needed extra things. We have a remote storage over here. You can't see it, but it's just a tiny little thing we got off Amazon. Added some hooks to hang hats. We added these 2 speakers for noise. Just when you had the TV on, it wasn't very loud back here with the air conditioner on. It has multiple chargers because there's not a whole lot of plugs in this camper.
Gotcha.
So we added something. This we got from Amazon. It was about $20. They go up to $40. We just got an inexpensive one.
You're right,
So we added
absolutely.
things like that just to make it more functional
Absolutely.
of the space for. We have a family of 5. Little dresser area. This is unfortunately the only area for storage. So when we're traveling, the rug under your feet there is it goes right in here on the side.
I see.
And because you have to roll in the slide. And then we put this thing in here. We had to assemble it in here, but we got this from Amazon for about I think it was about $40. And it just has tiny little drawers, so it's perfect for our girls.
Tell me about this big refrigerator.
We do have a full-size refrigerator, sort of.
in a 20-foot camper?
Yes, in a 20-foot camper.
Right.
So it is a nice size refrigerator. You can fit a whole lot of stuff in here. Almost would have rather this space up here, because this is our pantry, than a freezer. Because as you can see, this isn't very big. We bought this shelf on Amazon. We bought 2. We were hoping to have a can rack in here and this, but it just did not work out with the space.
Yes.
It's mostly a full-size kitchen. It is We saw this on an RV blog, a couple different ones. We just noticed it. They didn't say anything. We just noticed it, that they store their utensils in their oven mitts. So
Sure. And you needed more light in
we
here?
needed more light. So we have these awesome puck lights.
Ah.
We added one in the corner.
Remote control.
In the corner over there and in the corner up here. And you can see this one's white.
Oh, that's fine.
And that one's blinking.
Uh-huh.
They were $12 for a set of 4 of them on Amazon. And this
is
our
your
bed
sleeping area
This
here?
is our sleeping arrangement.
And these are the girls
Yes, these
that
are our
sleep
3.
here. Let's
These
see.
are- yeah.
Okay, girls, let's see how you sleep there. Get in your spots. Oh, look at that. So this is how they sleep?
Yep. We have 3 girls, and then my best friend is here with her 2 kids.
I see.
So we had 5 in here last night.
And this is a table that's
This
been,
is a table.
you fold down. Hi, girls.
Say hi!
That's fun. Okay, I'm a big TV.
So it's a Roku TV, which we love for camping because it has everything on it. It has Roku, it has Amazon, it has Hulu, anything, and so you don't have to have an Amazon Fire Stick or anything like that. You don't have to have DVD players or anything like that that's just extra that takes up more space.
Absolutely.
So it's all in here. This is our second dresser we purchased. This was $50 on Amazon. It's just a fabric dresser. It slides out. So this is our cabinet. We got this shelf again from Amazon. 2 shelves. It just allowed us to stack things. These actually rode really nice. I put spice racks over here.
What is it?
Vinos, I'm sorry. is what they call
Vinos.
it. Yeah, they call them
and,
Vinos.
and this is what you get. You get a bathroom in the front that's huge,
Huge.
for a 20-foot trailer.
Yes.
I mean, look at the size of this bathroom.
I love this bathroom. It was one of the high points to our camper. I'm tall, and so it's tall enough that I can stand up in the shower. You know, it's not extremely comfortable while you're camping. You're getting what you're just getting clean. You're getting the sweat off, the dirt off. It's not a luxurious shower, but you can get clean in here.
It's huge.
So-
I can't get over how big this
Yep.
thing is to be such, and that's what you get with the Vinos.
Yes, with the Vinos.
Vinos, and it has like a little medicine cabinet.
He has a little medicine cabinet. It's great. We fit our washcloths, Band-Aids, everything else in here nicely. We put some bug spray in there. We kind of pack it down with all the stuff on the counter when we travel. We got this on Amazon. It just sticks to the wall. It holds our toothbrushes, and it has a cup for the girls to rinse.
Oh, that's awesome.
Their
I like
mouths.
that.
And it
yeah.
just sticks to the wall. We tried to stick to things that really didn't screw, that they stuck, versus having screws. It's a little bothersome about this tiny, tiny bathroom. When you open the cabinet, it's the toilet.
Yeah, it does.
So that's a bummer. The window.
Yeah,
This
that's so
window-
cool to have a window
It's just
in
a
your
window. I do
bathroom.
like it because this morning I had stuff cooking. Our Blackstone is right there. So I had stuff cooking out there, and I was in here getting ready and checking out, watching to make sure the water boiled.
Hey, it's a pleasure. Y'all love your trailer.
We do love our trailer.
right.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, what's the name?
Mr. Roar.
I love that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, Brandy, thank you.